My name's Diana. I have been studying with eye design this past week, and what I've studied is the microblading, the ombre brows, and the lip tattoo course. When I was looking at different courses, eye design kept popping up. It had really good student reviews, and I feel like with the course you got a lot of value for your money. You know, they covered a lot of bases. I like that the kit was included, especially if you are starting out in the industry. You have sort of everything you need there to at least do your next few clients, so you can build up a bit of a portfolio. I was looking at another one academy, but I just felt like with eye design you were getting a lot more out of it, especially because it was a full 6-day course, whereas I found a lot of the other ones were for say 2 days or 3 days. So I feel like you really got to spend time with the trainers and sort of learn all the information, ask a lot of questions, and just sort of find out a bit more about everything. It's been really great. Both the trainers, Jimmy and Jade, are fantastic. They're both really hands-on and there to help you sort of every step of the way, whether it be practicing on the latex or with the theory work, as well as when doing the actual demonstration with the live models. They're always there to just sort of give you feedback and sort of push you in the right direction, and really guide you along the way. For me, my favourite part was learning more about lips, as it's something that I feel is becoming really popular in the beauty industry. So I was really excited to be able to learn that and sort of add that skill to my portfolio. Location is perfect, close to public transport, depending on where you're coming from, and the studio setup is amazing. There's a nice little classroom where you're all able to sit together and learn all the theory, and then the area where you do the practical demos is really spaced out, but you're still all together, which is nice. So you sort of have that support from your other classmates as well as the trainers. So after this course, I am looking to open my own beauty salon and offer the cosmetic tattoo services that I've been learning the last few days. Amazing. Just because the trainers are great, they're there to help you with everything that you need. They're really good at giving detailed feedback, so you are able to troubleshoot issues sort of after your training, like when you start working on your own clients in your own salon, your own space, which is really helpful. I would definitely recommend eye design to other people. I think it's a really great course, depending on where you're at in your career, whether you're just starting out or you have a little bit more knowledge. I think it's great for everyone because it covers sort of all bases and sort of educates you on everything you need to know about the cosmetic tattoo procedures.